welcome to the session Arduino. Here we are going to learn the things from scratch, both hardware and software. So let's begin the session. Today we are going to learn the things such as Arduino setup, Arduino board setup and Project 1 Blink LED. So coming to Arduino setup is nothing but how to download from where to download this Arduino software. It's a simple task, and Arduino board setup is also how we are going to set up in the board in Arduino software. This is also a simple task. So let's start beginning. So first let's do Arduino setup. So from where to we actually download it? Just type Arduino download. We'll be entering into the software. Just go into the software sector. I mean, here you will find software. Then you go for downloads. You will find the same thing. Okay, then you have to choose whether yours is Mac OS or Linux or Windows. So mine one is Windows. So I'll click this one. So it is asking like if you're interested to contribute for the development of Arduino, you can. It's your wish. Otherwise, just you can say just download. So .exe file will be downloaded. Since mine is Windows 10, so the app is already there in the Windows market. So I have already installed, so I don't require. So once you download Arduino exe file, just install it. That's it. That's the task completed. So the first task Arduino setup is completed. Now let's set up the Arduino board. So once you open the Arduino software, new. So you will find the software like this. Okay, board setup void loop. Here, first task you have to do is you have to connect the board. So the board that we are using is Arduino board. So let me show you my board. So this is my Arduino UNO board. So I have connected it. So you have to connect the same thing in the software also. So you have to go for tools. Here you can see the port, COM port 8. If you are not connected if you are not connected Arduino, you will not see this one. For example, let me show you. I am disconnecting this one. So the moment I disconnect it, you cannot see this one. See, you cannot see that Arduino UNO. So that is compulsory. That is mandatory. You have to always check out whether again I have connected. So it is connected to COM port 8. This is a must thing you should remember. Okay. So that's about Arduino setup. And one more important thing is that you have to select the board. Once you selected the board, the second task you have to do is you have to select the Arduino board. The board, we have many Arduino boards we have. Arduino Uno, Arduino Leonardo, Nano, Mega. But now, right now we are using Arduino Uno. So you have to select this. Once you have selected, now it's time to do the project. Okay, so the project that we are going to perform today is Blink LED. Blink LED. Before that, let me show you how an LED looks like. Everyone knows this, but there are many things that you need to learn. The first thing is that you have to identify which one is positive and which one is negative. Everyone knows that the LED which has much more length of wire, that we one called as positive. The other one is negative. This is not the way you should remember. The actual way is this one. If you see into the LED, you can see these notches. The notch which is very smaller in wide, that will be the positive. That will be the positive. And the notch which is much more wide, that will be negative. This is the way you should remember how the LED is positive or negative. Now let's check out the project that we are going to do is we are going to perform LED project. We have connected to the pin number 12. We are connected the pin number 12. So it is the positive and the negative is connected to the resistor, and this is connected to the ground. I hope this is clear. So shall we do the project? Okay. So let's do that. So let me show you. I'm going to connect it. So you can see that the positive and negative, the wider. So I'm connecting positive side to my right side. This is positive and that side is negative. And I'm also connecting some resistor. You can use 1 kilo ohm to 10 kilo ohm resistor. Any resistor is fine. So this is my connection. I hope it is clear. Okay, the two ends should be connected in same column. That is compulsory. Okay, now let's connect them into the Arduino pins. So the positive I'm connecting to pin number. So in our the one which we have assumed is pin number 12. So let's connect it to pin number 12. Okay, and the ground I'm going to give to orange. Orange colored wire is my ground, and red color one is my pin which is connected to pin number 11 or 12. Okay, it is 12. Okay, so it is connected. You wanna check it? So you can see it is connected to pin number 12. Pin number 12. So let's start doing programming. Okay. So the first one, whenever you open the void setup, whenever you open the Arduino, you will find these two things, these two functions, void setup and void loop. As you know that void setup will execute only one time. So what is the first thing what we have to do is, so our application is LED. Since our application is LED, we have to, since LED is an output, so we have to make it, we have to notify to the Arduino that LED is an output pin mode and should be capital. So we have connected to pin number 12. So it is acting as output, all capital letters. Output, semicolon. Next, next. So let's first make high. I mean LED high, then low. So digital write, WRIT, WRIT. Which pin we have connected? Pin number 12, comma, HIGH, high, semicolon. Again, write, digital write, 12 comma, low, 12 comma, low. So delay, as I already told, this you have to multiply with into 10 power minus 3. So delay of 1000. That's it. So let's upload the code. To verify the code, to verify whether any errors are there or not, this one is the compilation. So it is asking to save. I don't require to save. Now it is going to check for errors. Okay, there are no errors. Compile. Now I'm going to upload the code. So uploading is done. Okay, you can see there LED is blinking. LED is blinking. You can see over here. Okay, sorry. Okay, LED is blinking. High, low, high, low. Let's do another one, like printing the message, like LED is high on the serial monitor. If whenever it is LED is high, if it is low, the same message should be printed on the serial monitor. Actually, where is the serial monitor? Can you see this one? This is our serial monitor. So information from Arduino board will be transferred to here. Actually, I have already written the code, so it is printing. So let's do this code. So for that, you have to write serial dot println, serial dot println LED is high, LED is high, semicolon. Then you have to print serial dot println LED is low, LED is low, semicolon. Will it works? Of course not. Why? Because we have not established serial communication. So serial dot begin of 9600. Okay, that's it. Now let's upload the code. So we have uploaded the code. It is blinking, and the same information like LED is high. See, whenever it is high, then it is printing high. Whenever it is low, it is printing the same thing, low. So one fast question, like if we don't put this delay, what would happen? What would happen? This is the question. Please comment in the comment section. Okay. Thank you guys. If you have any doubts, please comment in the comment box and I'm looking for your suggestions if required any. Thank you once again.